Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a YouTube hook with vidIQ AI. Before we start, if you don't have a vidIQ account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to unlock premium vidIQ features for only $1 for your first month. It's the easiest way to test vidIQ on your own YouTube channel and follow this tutorial step by step. All right, you can go ahead and generate some hooks from the Generate tab right here or from the script writer, but I would highly suggest you to click on Generate right here. Now, enter the specific topic, okay? So, for example, we have here the topic, how to create a YouTube hook with vidIQ AI. Click on Generate and just wait for it to load. Now, after that, you'll have the title right here, description and the tags. Most importantly, when you scroll down, you'll have the hook, okay? The hook is going to actually create a mind-blowing YouTube hooks using vidIQ AI technology right now. So when you go ahead and scroll down, here we have the outline as well. So first up, the first 15 seconds should be the hook. So start with a bold statement or question about the struggling of creating engaging YouTube hooks and how there's a solution. So when you go ahead and scroll down, you go ahead and generate a script from here. Scroll down a bit and just wait for the process to finish. As you can see here we have the hook, okay? Can I actually create mind-blowing YouTube hooks using vidIQ AI technology right now? vidIQ is a game changer for YouTubers, and its AI technology is about to revolutionize how we create YouTube hooks. I'm excited to show you how it can help craft hooks that grab viewers' attention and keep them engaged. All right, so that's just how simple it is to create a YouTube hook with vidIQ. Here we have some voiceovers as well if you don't want to use your own voice. Okay, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.